Look at that. Oh my
roasted
gosh. Like he's really making some salsa right now. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Is your mouth watering? Because mine is. What is up, my Back to Life family? Today I'm coming at you with another food video here in the town of Tequila, where tequila is made. If you want to watch the video of that, we got that as well. We'll take you to the factory, literally where everybody makes their tequila. But right now we are at La Poste de Cerrillos. Yes? Did I say that right? We don't know where we're ordering yet, do we?
We
have no idea yet, but it looked dope. They're cooking on wood.
On wood, on a comal. It's authentic.
Comal. Which means what?
It's like a flat top, but it's like the authentic flat
That's
top.
so cool. Literally everything they do here is so natural.
We have the molcajete, the stone where they grind stuff.
I love that. We're gonna show them. Let's go through. Let's give them a little quick tour walking through here. But this is what it looks like, La Poste de Cerrillos, all right? And it's super dope. The colors, come check them out. Come check them out. Oh, that's Valentina. No, this way.
She wants to hold. She wants to hold.
Oh, she wants to hold my hand. Okay. So Valentina's the tour guide. She has to show me something. What are you showing me? Look how awesome this looks, y'all. Oh my gosh. Yo, she's making fresh tortillas right here. This is freaking dope. I'll be right back. What are we showing people? So this is the restaurant. Sorry, y'all. My tour guide just took over. But this is so dope. Oh, you want the playground? That's what she wants to show me. They even have a playground. I hear roosters in the background. This is super dope though. Check this out. But I gotta go show you all that kitchen again. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, have fun. This is so dope. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien.
Haha, yeah. Gringo speaking Spanish.
Salsa.
Look at this. We got salsa, y'all. Oh,
This
yeah.
is roasted.
Run through that a little bit. Yeah. Let me. Oh my goodness. Is that onion?
That is onion.
That look. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And she's making fresh tortillas right here, literally.
Tortillas.
Did you see? Oh, I gotta do that again. Where she did. That was so cool. Look at that, and it just cooks right there.
Yep.
No gloves, hot heat.
The secret for the tortilla is so that it inflates.
Yeah.
If it doesn't inflate, it doesn't. It's not a good tortilla. So you
Who told you that?
Oh, I was born in Mexico.
You're a chef. That's what I like to hear.
Look at that.
Oh.
See that? That's when a real
so
tortilla
cool.
is. If it doesn't do that,
This reminds me of Indian food. When I was eating the porota.
Poof.
Yeah. It's a chapati or something like that. Look at this, y'all. Look at her. Look at this. Beat it up. Put it right there. Bam! That's so cool. Oh my
So if a tortilla
gosh.
doesn't do that, it's not a real tortilla.
¿Cómo te llamas?
María.
Maria. Mucho gusto, Maria. Yo, this is so
Beautiful name.
cool. Beautiful name. Maria.
Maria.
You know what I'm saying? I love that. But yeah, y'all just literally, and this is dough, right? Or what is
Masa.
that? Masa. Which means what?
Dough.
Literally, that's it.
It's a
Oh.
corn dough.
Corn dough.
Made out of corn.
Literally, that is so cool. Yo, this is how fresh tortillas are made, if you were ever wondering. Literally, they just got the full tutorial. Oh my gosh, and look, they got super cool, amazing, like, ornaments, like, probably made in Mexico, 110%.
Handmade.
Handmade. Tortillas handmade, ornaments handmade, Mexico's handmade.
Oh, dude, and it says.
What does that say?
Quesadillas, tortillas, barra de cortes.
What does that mean?
Like this is where the girl stuff.
I love that. I love that. That's so
bar.
awesome. Enough with the tortillas. We're gonna order our food. We're gonna get that cooking somewhere, and we're gonna enjoy this, y'all. This looks absolutely dope. Gracias.
De nada.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Let's get this food. Yo, he's making a salsa right
Voy a
now.
poner un poco de sal, ajo, cebolla y cilantro.
Yes, sir. Uh-oh. He's getting a rock. Oh my gosh. I think I saw this in a Mark Wiens video. This is dope, y'all. He's literally crushing everything right now. Y'all literally making fresh salsa in front of me. Like, what? Shout out to my homie right here. Gracias, hermano, man.
Este es chile serrano, exactamente.
Oh, it smells spicy.
It's a very spicy
Jeez,
pepper.
it smells spicy, brother. Oh, that's gonna burn.
Y se machuca también. Exactamente.
Talk to me. I feel like he's talking dirty. What do you think?
I think it is.
He's talking dirty. I'm telling you. Food porn, literally. Oh, that's gonna be spicy. But I can't wait.
Yo estoy grabando.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Yo soy Memo. Memo.
Memo.
Memo.
Claro.
Mucho
Me
gusto.
pueden llamar como Memo.
It's a whole food show. It's like the Food Network, Mexican edition.
El ajo, el cilantro y la sal.
Come on.
Bien, se le echa el
A
jitomate.
little tomato.
You're about to listen to this. Yep.
Look at that. Oh
It's a
my
roast
gosh. Like he's really making some salsa right now. Like I usually just go to Walmart and buy some.
No, not here.
Look at this. Oh my
Listen.
gosh. Oh shoot. Is your mouth watering? Because mine is.
Mine is.
Oh. My way. This is insane.
I have people- I have people telling me that I should post more and vlog more about
This is crazy. This is amazing, bro. Like, literally, he just made some fresh Mexican salsa in front of my face.
Now turn around.
Oh my gosh, we got, what is that? Mexican coffee? Literally, he just made some fresh Mexican salsa in front of my face.
Now turn around.
Oh my gosh, we got, what is that? Mexican coffee?
Yep, Mexican coffee.
Oh my gosh.
Which is a clay pot coffee.
This is dope, yo. And then we got the outside grill, Maria over there, making fresh tortillas. Yes, that's amazing. Gracias. Gracias, brother. Oh, yo, I mean, literally, this is just insane. We got the Mexican coffee, the concha. We got her drinking some, like, some milkshake looking thing. Oh, the tortillas turned into tostadas. Homemade Mexican salsa, man. That's a good brother right there. That's a good brother. That's a good sister right there. Yes. Yo, so we had the tortilla that turned to a tostada. We got the salsa molcajete. It's super spicy, but I'm in Mexico. Why not, right?
Why not, dude? You have water? You have
I
coffee?
do. I have some. This is
Café de la olla.
café de la olla.
Here's some water if you want.
I can already feel the spice.
But the flavor, dude, is just...
That is so good. I can taste the tomato. Literally, you guys saw him make it from scratch. I'm gonna do a little more, yeah. Go in right there a little bit. Uh-oh. Oh, it's starting to burn. I can feel it. It's so fresh. Like, oh my gosh. Right here, y'all, we have salsa mexicanas, we have arroz, we have frijoles with a little, I guess, queso. That's what
Queso
cheese.
fresco?
Queso fresco. Some, oh, hands.
Not catch. Nice catch.
Fresh bread right here, literally just made it. Look at that. Like, look how that just pulls apart. Oh. Amazing. I'm gonna jump in on this right away. Watch this. Just watch that. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Let me get a big bite here. Oh, hold on, brother. With a little beans, a little rice. Uh-oh. This is amazing. Look at this, y'all. This is so good, literally. Check that out. Just look at that. There's still a little steam coming off the eggs. Some arroz. If you've never had Mexican food in Mexico, you're cheating yourself. You're cheating yourself, not me, because I'm here in Mexico. Yo, one more bite for you, because this is, oh. Gracias. All right, y'all, so not sure what Adrian has here. What do you got, brother?
I've got chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles.
Salsa verde. In a green sauce.
Okay.
Spicy.
Yeah.
We've got some steak right here. We
Dig
got the
into it a
sour
little.
cream. Cheese melted into the oven. Refried beans with queso fresco. And
I guess it's time, no?
little bread.
Yeah, I guess it's
So
time.
you do a little beans.
Okay.
You go.
Yeah. Oh. Ay, wait.
Look at this.
Look at the steam. Take the bite. Take the bite. Stop doing that to me. Boom. How was it? Oh my gosh. We got some extra salsa. Gracias. Gracias.
Wow.
Guillermo. Yeah.
Guillermo.
All right. Take another bite, man. We got the refried beans. What's that? Steak, yeah?
Steak.
Steak. Uh-oh. Got a blow on it. A little hot. How was it? Delicioso.
Delicioso.
I felt that. When you ay. Kind of pull through a little bit. Show them a little bit more there. So that exactly is what?
These are fried tortillas.
Fried tortillas. Oh my gosh.
Into a
man.
sauce.
I love that.
So they're gonna saggy but crunchy
Yeah.
at the same
So
time.
you get them both.
You get them both.
I love that. Last
Little
bite.
spicy, little beans, little steak.
Boom. Okay, man, stop. You're making us hungry. Stop it. She got the same thing. How about you take a bite for us? Uh-oh. Bam! Hey, food is so crazy, it literally leaves you speechless, y'all. I'm over here enjoying my eggs, my everything. We still got dessert, we still got more coffee. This is cinnamon coffee. This is amazing. We're enjoying it. So I forgot to tell y'all about this amazing drink they have here. It's made out of Jamaica, which is a flower. You boil it, and then instead of like drinking water all the time, you got this amazing flower juice, I guess you could say, super natural.
Yeah, super healthy.
And you like feel it in your brain. It's so like tart and sweet and good. One more sip for you. Show them one more time. It like looks reddish, raspberry looking. Tastes absolutely amazing. Like, go to Mexico, drink Jamaica, eat Mexican food. Just enjoy Mexico, literally. Guillermo, gracias por la comida, mucho gusto.
Sí,
Gracias.
hasta luego.
Gracias. Gracias, Maria. Gracias.
Oiga,
Gracias. That's the chef.
no, por algo no tomó mi
This is
foto.
chef.
¿Me la manda?
Gracias. Gracias por la comida.
Encantado.
Hey. All right, y'all. Literally, it's amazing. So amazing. So amazing. I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the food. It was so good. Yo, that was such a dope experience at that restaurant, man. The food was amazing. Management, everything was so dope. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at NicoTJR. Make sure you hit that bell, turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My Backside family, I'll see you in my next vlog. Peace.